Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to hide or secure the linked devices on WhatsApp. Now this helps protect your privacy if you don't want others to see or access your connected devices. First of all, you need to open your WhatsApp application on your phone. Once you are done, tap on these three dots in the top right hand corner of the screen. Among the given options, you will notice that the fourth option is of linked devices. So this is exactly what we want. When you tap on the option of the linked devices, you need to review this list carefully. If you see any of the devices that you don't recognize or no longer use, you can just simply tap on it, then select the option of logout. This is going to remove access instantly. Now you need to go back to the WhatsApp settings. Here in the settings, simply go to the option of privacy. In the privacy, simply enable the screen lock or the fingerprint lock if available. Now this prevents others from opening WhatsApp and checking the linked devices. You should also turn on the two-factor authentication from the account section. This adds an extra security layer so that no new device can link without your PIN. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.